Hello, I'm George and this is the Baker Farm. Today I'd like to share with you how I keep my eggs clean coming from our flock of chickens. We've been raising chickens since about 2019, and over the years we have had a lot of problems with dirty eggs. In our first couple of setups, they were in very small mail order coops that just did not leave enough room for them, and they had a very big problem that leads to dirty eggs. Let's go take a look in the coop. So these are our nest boxes. They are about 11 inches from the floor of the coop. And if you'll notice, they are really clean. No poop to be seen. Now I did just clean these, but for probably the last year or so, I don't think I've ever found poop in the nest boxes. Now, why is that important? Well, the reason you get poop in your nest box is because your chickens sleep there. They tend to poop when they sleep. So, why is that? Why do they sleep there? Well, chickens are prey animals, and they want to get to the highest part of the coop they can to feel safe. A lot of the mail order coops tend to have the nest boxes and the roosting bars at about the same level, or even occasionally the roosting bars below that level. Your perches are higher than your nest box. Now those nest boxes you just saw, the bottoms of them are about 11 inches from the floor. That bottom perch there is approximately 14 inches from the floor. So by just being on that bottom perch, they are technically higher than the nest boxes. Now when I come here at night, all my chickens are on here with the exception of my Silkies. They like hanging out on the floor, and Dorothy. And I'm sure she comes and must move during the night because, like I said, I never find any poop in the nest boxes. One other quick tip about roosts is you want to make sure your roost bars are something they can get their feet around. Now, if you're in a cold winter area, you want to make sure they can get their feet around it, but be fully covered by feathers so they don't wind up getting frostbite. Now, these are 3x2s, and they're just the right size I've found for a full-grown chicken to comfortably grab around. And I did sand them down a little bit, and then I put them in. But like I said, since I've had these in here, and they've been in here, good gracious, probably a good year now, I have not had any poop at all in my nest boxes. Now you know the secret of clean eggs. Just keep your roosts higher than your nest boxes, and you should have very little problems going forward with dirty eggs. You will have the occasional one no matter what, but for the most part, they will stay clean. Have a great day, a wonderful harvest, and amazing adventures. Till next time, I'm George, and this is the Baker Farm.